Hello everyone, Jim Pope, Worldwide Auctioneers. We're going to bring your special attention to a unique car, something that we've inspected, checked out, a very rare opportunity indeed, right here at Auburn, Indiana at Worldwide Auctioneers. 63 split window. If you go online and check out all the information that we have documented and posted for you, you can verify and correctly see what the car is and what it's not. So we've got a correct black car, matching number car, 4-speed car with tons of options, power steering, power brake, and factory air conditioning. And we have documents and paperwork. Make sure you check that out so you can see all the history and what's been done to the car. A frame-off restored car in 2006. We have a picture of that as well, where it literally shows the frame off the car as they went through the car. Correct red interior, so make sure you check out the interior. You'll see it also has power windows. A very highly optioned car in 63 with factory air. We take a look at the engine, everything's detailed, it's really nice. All your markings are correct, casting code correct. Again, we took pictures of the stamp pad so that you can see that as well. 63 block, the course matching numbers are there. If you take a look, see that it's an RD code, which is a 300 horse car. Again, just a real unique, amazing opportunity. Make sure you look at all the pictures around the car. Headlight doors are good. Interior is just amazing. Just again, one of the unique cars that you can find anywhere in the world is right here at Auburn, Indiana. See you there. All right, guys, we're going to try to make an effort to see if we can get this on video. We do, and confirm that it is matching number car. First letter we're going to see is a 3, meaning 63 year, of course. Casting code is correct for this block. Already verified that. Looks like 113483, and that matches the VIN, so we are matching number. And then we've got a FO, meaning Flint, March 0327, which is correct with the trim code, and a RD of 300 horsepower.